Good afternoon, guys. So today I've got another stunning property. It is a Neptune style villa. It is absolutely beautiful and it is in a perfect location. It's down here with these beautiful views just here. Let me turn around and show you. We are on Sector D. Just look at those stunning views all across there. Absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely place. So guys, as we come in, we have this tiled area where enough room for 2 cars. You have a pergola there as well, and this brings you down to this beautiful pool. Look at this. Oh my goodness guys, look at this. Isn't this fabulous? So you have got very decorative ornate electric gates there. This is the pool area and your lounge area. I'm just going to take you down where you have the barbecue, and you've also got this area down here for outside dining. Really lovely. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? It's nice and shaded here as well. Really lovely. And of course you've got steps there into the garden. But there's some steps into this beautiful pool. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? And over there you have outside dining and you have a bar. So let's investigate that. So you could just imagine sitting here after cooking, and you could sit here by the pool, have drinks and a barbecue. This is a beautiful home. I love the decorations on the wall. Beautiful plants. This is birds of paradise, this flower. Let me take you around. So the balustrade is of chrome and smoked glass. It's really very nice, very modern. We have one step down into this lovely area. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Just want to show you all the details of this property. So you have a lovely area to lounge here, and you have your pergola with a nice area just to sit and chill. You could have a coffee here with your friends and go and have a dive in the pool afterwards. In the evening you could entertain friends and family over here in the bar. And this is a delightful bar. Look at this. You've got all your stools here. You've got a lovely bar made of granite. And you got your TV. Really beautiful. Now let's go and have a look around the other side. You have sockets and you do have a fridge down there. You've also got the different little gadgets around here. Look at this. Ring for bead. Just think somebody will come. Ooh, isn't that nice? And then you have that lovely area for sitting and having outside dining with friends or family. It's absolutely stunning. Look at that. So this all makes up this beautiful luxury villa. And you have beautiful gardens just down there as well. Beautiful flowers decorating the walls. They're real flowers, mind. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll have a look around. I think that pool is absolutely stunning, and this is a great home if you like your outside space and just relaxing and enjoying the garden. So let's go up here into the conservatory. So as you may have noticed, there is a beautiful balustrade. It's got a kind of a smoky glass going on, and it has a lovely silver chrome. As we go up the steps into this area. Now as we come in, as you can see, all the floors have been done in here. It's really beautiful, this property. It is particularly well maintained. It's really lovely. Radiators just there. Just above you have your ceiling light and fan. Very modern. So let me take you into the main part of the house. So as we come in, it has been all done. It's been all open plan, as you can see, because normally in a Neptune there's a wall here and then an archway, but this has all been opened up. So I'm just going to pan around and go over here and have a look. So you have got your ceiling light and fan, a very modern one. I'll just put the camera up so you can see. You have your aircon, and just behind that front door you have got wardrobes that are sliding doors, very modern. You got your central heating in here as well, under the windows, and the windows are double glazed as well. Really lovely. Just going to pan around just to give you a good feel of the room. Now you have the kitchen and that there, so I'm going to go through the bedrooms like I normally do first. But I just want to give you a good feel of the room as if you're walking it with me, you know. So we're going into the master bedroom first. Now I always like to call this the master, but some people use the top box as theirs. So in here you have got aircon, and you've got modern ceiling light and fan. You have radiators under the windows as well. This is really beautiful and very cosy. So we go through the archway, and through here is your ensuite. So this is absolutely stunning. You've got a slightly tinted shower screen, a clear one. You've frosted glass window, very modern shower, and you have your heated towel rail. You've also got your radiator there as well. Flooring's all been done. It's really been done really beautifully, the whole lot. Okay, so just here is your sink and vanity unit and your WC. So let's go through, and as you can see, you've got your single wardrobe here and your double wardrobe with overhead storage. You've got plenty of storage in here. Beautiful bedroom, really bright and airy. Now we're going in here. Now this is really unusual because there is a shower attachment and a bath. You don't normally see a bath in here. It's usually just a shower cubicle, but this is brilliant. So you've got your sink and vanity unit, and you have your WC. You've also got a towel rail there over the radiator. It's all fully tiled, very modern. And your frosted glass window, and just above we have got spotlights. Now I'm going to back in, and we're going to go in here to the next bedroom. So this is just being used as a home office by the looks of it. You got large double wardrobes, got plenty of storage, and if I just come around, you can see that it's just been used as a home office. Okay, you have radiators there, and above you got your ceiling light and fan as well. So let me take you in and around. Got radiators just here in this link corridor, and as we go through, you got steps. So we're going up these steps to the top box. So I see you at the top of the stairs, guys. I've just come upstairs now to this beautiful, bright and airy and very colourful room. Really lovely. I'm going to pan around for you. So as you can see, there's his and her wardrobes with overhead storage. You have got your ceiling light and fan above just there, and out here in this area is an area where you can sit and enjoy. So you could sit here, have a glass of wine with your friend, and then just catch up on your tanning all day. I love the colours in this room as well. So just in here you have got your ensuite, and this is matching the bedroom. So you've got the colour coordination all the way through. You've got your sink and pedestal, and you've got your WC and a shower cubicle. Shower cubicle has a nice kind of frosted glass on it, as you can see close up. Really lovely. And you've got your rain head shower there as well. It's all done very, very well. So let me take you through the rest of the house, and we go around the back areas. Okay. You have a banisters all the way down the steps. Now we've come back down the steps into this beautiful living room, and as you can see, you've got double glazing here as well as aircon and central heating throughout. And we've come into this beautiful kitchen. So just in here is your kitchen. You have your double glazed windows, got a beautiful kitchen in here. It's all very modern. Plenty of top and base units. Got this gorgeous granite workspace here. And it's got these nice little flecks of silver in them. They sparkle. And you've got your faucet. Just over there, you've got your integrated microwave and oven and electric hob. And again, it's just absolutely beautiful. You've got your fridge, freezer. It's all integrated in here. Okay. So I'm going to take you in and around, and we'll go back around the front and have a look around there. Okay. So I'm just going to take you down these few steps. And there is a way just around here that I go into this other part of the garden. Now this is a good sized plot as well, and of course your gate to the pool is just there. You have got a lovely tree, and it's just full of lemons, fresh lemons for your ice and a slice when you're having drinks with your friends. Beautiful established plants and trees, all in bloom. And this brings you down to another seating area. You've also got water points throughout the building here. So you have a nice area to sit out here. And I'm just going to bring you in here. Now you have an underbuild that has been reformed. It's absolutely stunning. So look at this. Really lovely and very colourful. So just in here is just literally storage for your fridge, freezer and your central heating tank. And this is a lovely area if you've got guests or family staying over. It's really bright, airy and comfortable. Now if I just pan around here for a moment, I don't want to make you dizzy by going around, but you have got a little fridge. You've got electric hob and electric oven. You've got top and base units, and it's just ample if you've got friends or family staying over. You have a double sink there as well. Just above, we got spotlights throughout the room down here. And I'm just going to take a walk over here to see what's in here. Oh, she's got a bedroom in here with spotlights above. To show you they're not on, but there is spotlights there. And this is a lovely bedroom. And as I pan round, you can see you got your mirror and your wardrobe and your dressing table. This is very, very chic and very nice. You got beautiful tiles on the floor as well. I love this place already. So let's go into the next bedroom. I love a place that's different, and every room is different. So you got two single beds in here. So this is a 2-bedroomed apartment down here Really lovely and very comfortable. And again, you've got the spotlights above. You have got insect screens and blackout blinds on the windows there. And I'm just walking around. There is a doorway here. So what's in this doorway? Oh, so this is a workroom for the men in your life or the women. You could even turn this into a sewing room. In my case, this would be a YouTube room, I have to say. So, how wonderful is this place? This is a dream villa here in Spain. For anyone, whether you have a large family or a small family and have friends and family come visit. And there's more. Look at this. So, what's in here? Here is a shower room. You've got a lovely clear shower screen there on the shower. I'm going to shut the door behind me just to give you an idea. So you have got your WC and your vanity unit there, all done out in a nice summer orange, and you have your shower in there. And again, you got lovely spotlights. So it's a really beautiful home, this. And this door, this is just more storage. This house just keeps on giving, doesn't it? Absolutely beautiful. So, guys, what do you think? We'll have to go and investigate the rest of this property. It's absolutely huge. So what do you think of this property, guys? This is so nice. It really is. You have a fabulous outdoor area for relaxing in, and you have that fabulous, very colourful underbuild, which is great for family or friends coming over. This house has been upgraded and is absolutely pristine, ready to move into. You couldn't ask for more, and you've got a fabulous bar behind me, a wonderful pool to the back, and some amazing views as well. So I will leave the reference number in the title of this video, guys. So if you're inquiring about it, do quote the reference number. I will leave the email address of the agent and her website, and I will leave Dawn's WhatsApp. So when you're contacting someone, just quote the reference number and they'll know what property you're looking at, you know, or inquiring about, I should say.